In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Shein points and reward systems and everything that it has to offer. So Shein points are a rewards currency where 100 points equals to $1 and usable for up to 70% off eligible purchases, excluding shipping, taxes, and insurance. If you want to know how to redeem them, there are a couple of ways you can go ahead and do so. First is going to be by checking out, so adding an item to your cart, clicking on checkout, and proceeding to payment page. Second is going to be applying points, so scrolling to the payment method section, selecting points, and entering the amount you wish to use. And the third is going to be discounts, so the points will be applied as a discount on your subtotal. There are a couple of key rules for using points. So maximum deduction, as I already mentioned, you can deduct up to 70% of the total product price. The redemption rate is 100 points equals to $1, and the points expire. If you return an item, used points are refunded, but if they have already expired, they will not be returned to your account. In order to go ahead and earn more points, what you can do is firstly verify your email, so receive 100 points for verifying your email address, post detailed reviews with pictures for more points of purchased items, and log in consecutively to earn points with a 7-day cycle bonus. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see